My name is Wouter Westen. I'm a creative director operating from out of Amsterdam, and I'm the creative director for the collective called Circus Family. We call ourselves an audiovisual collective. Well, for Circus Family, we're known for mixing a lot of techniques, which we grew to do over the years. So we make a mix of graphic design, moving image, music, and interactive technology. That's what we're known for. And within Circus Family, personally, I do creatively the lead. So I'm the creative director for the collective, and I direct films myself as well. And next to that, I'm an independent artist. Straight from school, actually. I was just explaining. Actually, I'm a journalist by profession. I finished the School of Journalism in the Netherlands. But I was doing a course called editorial design, which was then for newspapers and magazines. But it was during the rise of internet on the rise. So I started building websites. And from websites, I grew into CD-ROM, DVD, you name it. And then from there, I started making animations, making films, directing films. And from there on, we made the next step into installations. And that's where everything sort of full circle for me. I think that's really where all our expertise and our hybrid approach can really thrive. I'm proud of quite a lot of projects that we do because we're quite a small collective, so we really pick which projects we want to do, which is nice because it gives us a lot of freedom. But I am the most proud of our self-initiated projects. The installation we made for South by Southwest a few years ago, which then started gaining some traction and got picked up by a lot of commissions here in the US. And the fact that we're still building on that original format feels like a good, sustainable way of developing installations and light-based work. I think open source is a beautiful development. Of course, you see it a lot in online coding. I think maybe some hardware coding could also use that, but maybe legally that's also understandable that that's a difficult question. But for developers, I think that's a really nice step if they can make that happen. So really talk to the people who are using it or who are using it in a different way and seeing if you can open up the platform to develop it further with them. I think that would be a beautiful development.